Welcome to MathQuence channel. Today we are going to see 18th case study based question. A subpart we are going to see. Okay, from A subpart till E we are going to see. So A subpart is a model of a boat is made on the scale of 1:4. The model is 120 centimeter long. The full size of the boat has a width of 60 centimeter. What is the width of the scale model? So four options are given. Oh, okay. So what is given is a ratio of model boat and the original boat, which is equal to 1:4. So ratio of model boat is 1 and original boat is 4 times that of the model boat. Okay. So 1 is the model boat size and 4 is the original boat size. Length of the model boat is 120 centimeter. Width of the original boat is 60 centimeter. Width of the model boat is asked in the question. Okay. So model boat width is asked in the question. So we are keeping the width of the model boat as x and width of the original boat is equal to 60 centimeter. Okay, so therefore we can write width of the model boat divided by width of the original boat is equal to 1/4 according to the equation A. Okay, if you keep this as equation A, according to this, the ratio of the model boat and the original boat is 1:4. So 1/4 we can write. Okay, 1:4 is nothing but 1/4. So width of the model boat divided by width of the original boat is equal to 1/4. So width of the model boat is, okay, what is asked in the question. So we don't know this. And we know width of the original boat as 60 is equal to 1/4. And width of the model boat is equal to 60/4. Okay, which is equal to 15 centimeter. 15 centimeter is given in the option and third option is 15 centimeter. Therefore, this third option is the correct one. So this is the answer for this A part question. Next, we are going to see 18th question B subpart. This question is what will affect the similarity of any two polygons? So it is given in the figure. Okay, it is given in the figure. Two shapes are similar when one can become the other after a resize, flip, slide or turn. Okay, so similarity means resizing, flipping, sliding or turning. Okay, so they are flipped horizontally, they are dilated by a scale factor, they are translated down, they are not the mirror image of one another. So this is the answer for this question. They are not the mirror image of one another. The similarity of any two polygons is they are not mirror image of one another. This is the answer for this question. Next, 18th question C subpart. If two similar triangles have a scale factor of A is to B, which statement regarding the two triangles is true? The ratio of their perimeters is 3A is to B. Their altitudes have a ratio of A is to B. Their medians have a ratio of A/2 is to B. Their angles bisect have a ratio of A square is to B square. The correct answer is their altitudes have a ratio of A is to B. So what is altitude? Altitude is nothing but a perpendicular distance or the height. Okay, so if two triangles have a scale factor of A is to B means their heights, perpendicular distance or the height have a ratio of A is to B. This is the answer for this question. Next, we are going to see 18th question, D subpart. The shadow of a stick 5 meter long is 2 meter. At the same time, the shadow of a tree 12.5 meter high is 4 options are given. So, what is given in the question is the length of the stick is given as well as the shadow of a stick is given, and the length of the tree is given and the shadow of a tree is asked. Okay, so original size of a stick is to shadow of a stick is 5 meter is to 2 meter. So original size of the stick வந்து here is 5 meter and shadow of a stick is 2 meters given. Original size of a tree is to shadow of a tree is 12.5 is to x. So we need to find out the shadow of a tree. So ratio we know to write in A by B form. Okay, so 5 meter is to 2 meter is nothing but 5 by 2 is equal to 12.5 is to x is 12.5 by x. So we need to know x. So you take x to the left side, you take 5 to the right side and 2 to the right side numerator. Okay, so x becomes, if you cancel, if you simplify, okay, 1 5s are 5, 2.5 5s are 12.5, then 2.5 into 2 is nothing but 5. So the shadow of a tree of original size 12.5 meter is 5 meter in length. Okay, this is the answer for this question. So 5 meter is given in the option 4. So option 4 is the correct option. Next, 18th question, E subpart. This question is, below you see a mathematical model of a farmhouse roof with measurements. Okay, this is the mathematical model of a farmhouse roof. Okay, here a farmhouse is given. This is the roof. So this roof model is drawn as a picture here. Okay, so the floor ABCD, attic floor ABCD is of square. Okay, and the beams that support the roof are the edges of a rectangular prism. So this AT is one of the edges of a prism, and BT is another edge, CT is another edge, and DT is another edge of a prism. Okay, and all the edges are of same length, 12 meter. Okay, here what is asked in the question is, what is the length of EF, where EF is one of the horizontal edges of the block. So what is this edge EF? Okay, so here what is the EF length they are asking. So to find out this length, we use the formula. Okay, we use the concept here. AB length is known as 12 meter. Okay, so to find out the length EF, this EF is since E is the midpoint of A and T, the length EF is surely half of the length of AB. Okay, so therefore the length of EF is half of 12 meter, which is 6 meter. Therefore the third option is the correct option. Okay, so length of EF is equal to half into length of AB. So half length of AB is 12. Therefore 6 meter is the length of EF. This is the answer for this question.